talk about LC. Keep that shit moving, and then we gonna write these motherfuckers down, nigga. Hooligans, man, fuck niggas, we shootin'. My niggas is hooligans, these fuck niggas, we shootin'. My niggas is hooligans to the gun dance. Down one lanes, they pull out that government shit. And snuggle lanes, nigga, fuck that. Down one lanes, they do the dance to pistols. They don't want that, they don't want that. We some Lost City niggas. All my niggas straight killers doing biz for that nigga. LC Sparks. Put the realest on the track, man. This beat slow as shit, so ain't feeling that. Got more time to speak though. That's for niggas that can't freestyle on the fucking beat though. Cause I going on that, flowing on that like a river. LC Sparks when he come, he deliver. And I got the pistol, one shot in a nigga. LC Sparks no friends, my nigga. Except for wife, we make a move to the end, my nigga. Fuck another bitch, cause these bitches all about money. These bitches all foul, set you up, told you all them bitches is funny. Seen the shit, the marks, man, they crazy. Could've busted this nigga's head just yesterday, see, but I ain't on that. Got seized the raise, can't be doing bids or getting killed by the niggas in the streets on some stupid shit, man. I'm going there, girl, soup shit. Homies, I'm gonna eat that. Let me hit the red carpet with Lil Wayne. I fucking eat the cat. Little small nigga got money, think he ball nigga is good. Shit, I'm out here in the hood. Nigga, fuck that. What's good? Homies, going in, no pen and paper, nigga. Eat the shit. I been a gator, I renegated a track, nigga. Fuck that, nigga. Use the Mac, nigga. We're the Mac, nigga. From the clap niggas, cause he a rap nigga. Talking about Taj. Niggas charge niggas just like Dodge. Oranged up, nah, blacked up with the black rims and them black guns and them black tints. I'ma wax something, nigga. Homies, we don't wanna rap something. Oh, my niggas, man, telling you, I'm a real nigga, just dolo. So around wife, y'all show how much of a real nigga that I am. I'm just chilling with my fam, but niggas wanna try me when we in the bar or something, nigga. You'll really see who I am, don't nobody know that. 16, 17, nigga, that shit was throwback. Do that shit in the garbage like it's Tuesday for Wednesday. LC Sparks, nigga, been brave, just say silent, cause him crazy, nigga, fuck that. I'm in my bag, called the nigga Chip Slaves, oh.